Hey traders, TG Watkins here. It is February 5th when I'm recording this. I hope you guys are doing well out there. We have been having some great times in the Moxie room. I'm going to be showing you guys some SPX trades that we've been taking since this market has recovered pretty well. And we have a trade going into Friday, so I'll dive into that. But I want to let you guys know that the Money Show in Las Vegas is coming up just a couple weeks from now. And I'm going to be there pretty much all week, so Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. But I'm going to be speaking primarily Wednesday the 19th at 2:45 p.m. You can see it here. I think they're going to find me an extra slot too because on one of the other days, so I'll probably have two presentations. But yeah, come out. If you guys are going to be there, come say hi. You know, it's always great to kind of meet the people on the other end of the screen and the trading rooms and all that, so it'd be great to see you guys. But what I'm going to be talking about is breakout small cap plays for the Trump era. And man, are we seeing some of these things. So it's going to be a lot of fun. I've got a list of things that we're going to go over and kind of like the 5 best sectors that are driving this market. And again, that's only 2 weeks away, so it's going to be very current information. So look forward to that. And all right, so as far as the S&P and what we're seeing in through here, you know, I think that this market has handled the last couple weeks beautifully. We had the whole DeepSeek news, we had Trump tariff news, and each of those dips got bought up, and they perfectly hit this trend line. So I do think that this is going to keep going. And in fact, I was talking about this earlier today, and we had a live session out on the social medias like Facebook and YouTube and stuff like that. And I said, if we can get price over the hourly 50 and the Moxie indicator to go green, I wasn't sure if it was going to do it today, but look here, by the end of today, it did. That is officially a trampoline move, and what that means is basically buy the dip. So this is price underneath the 50. The Moxie indicator was above 0. Now we have price coming out from the hourly 50, and that is everything I needed to do. So given that the market was doing this, and I figured it was going to be going up, you know, today, I didn't know if it was going to pop with Google earnings or anything else like that. We had a few other earnings, and Google definitely went down, but it didn't seem to affect the market too much. And so we put on a, just so you guys can see this, we put on a 6100, 6150 call debit spread. And we put some on yesterday, and I said to everyone in the room, I said, make sure that you have enough dry powder left so that you can add more in case the market decides to dip tomorrow, meaning today, which is Wednesday. And so it did exactly that. I'll show you guys what this looks like. But basically, we had a small little dip right in here. It perfectly hit the area that I was looking for. And so we added to our position on there. As far as the long call, we only did the long call because our 6150 call that we had sold for credit, making this a spread, actually went down by 70%, 75%. And so we were able to buy that back for a 75% gain. And then we bought more calls down here for a discount. Now, what that looks like, if you look over here, let me maximize this. So this is that call series, the long call. And you can see for the long call of the spread that we bought was here. And yeah, it got hit this morning, but that's okay. We were expecting something like this. And so in order to add to something like this, we added more here. And now you can see by the end of the day, $12, that is exactly where price was yesterday. So we are up, so roughly we are up almost 100% on the ones we added to today, and we are back to break even on the ones we bought yesterday. Great situation. So we're already positive on this. Then the other one here that we had sold, so up here the 6150s, we sold them and we bought them back for, I think we got about 80. You know, we sold about 0.8. So almost a 75% gain on that one. So far, this is a really, really good trade, and it goes until Friday, and we're going to just see how this goes. So follow along. I'm going to be updating everyone with this on my weekly market update review that I put out over the weekend. It's on YouTube if you guys want to check it out. And then I'll also probably do a special on this like early next week, Monday, Tuesday, something like that for my next video newsletter, because this is a big one. I think this is going to move pretty nicely. I think we'll get to 6,100. Maybe we'll overshoot it a little bit. And I've got some good money on this thing. And I think a lot of other traders in my room took this trade. And in fact, some of them were saying that they missed the alert yesterday, and all they did was bought the one down here, which is great because now they're up 100% already, and hopefully just more upside from there. So yeah, we did that because also buying back the 6150 releases our long calls so that now we have unlimited upside. So we should see where that goes. And yeah, hopefully this is looking great. I think the market's looking very, very solid. I'm very happy with the performance of it today. We do have some economic news on Friday pre-market, non-farm payroll and unemployment. It's probably going to move the market. I hope it's going to move it to the upside. It seems like it should. So we'll just have to see. It's going to make or break this trade. But overall, we're doing really, really well for this, and I'm excited to see where it goes. I hope you guys are doing well. Remember to come on over to the Moxie Room. We're always doing a $7 trial for 30 days. And if you guys are kind of struggling with this market, I really hope you aren't. But if you are and you're looking for more trade ideas, come on over to the Moxie Room, because that's what we're doing here. I've got a whole list of names, and we just keep putting on trades. So it's a lot of fun, and we're teaching you along the way. Okay, guys, see you next week. Take care. Hey, TG here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like or comment below. Also, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you can stay up to date with my market analysis. Or you can join my free newsletter with the link in the description. Good trading, and I'll see you at the next video.